Hey guys, it's Jordan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this pretty half-up twisted fishtail bun. Start off by taking a section of hair from about an inch back from the hairline and dividing it into two. Now we're going to start a fishtail braid. So take a small piece of hair from the outside of the right piece and cross it over and add it into the inside of the left piece. Then take a small piece of hair from the outside of the left piece and cross it over and add it into the inside of the right piece. And then just repeat those steps all the way down to create a fishtail braid. Every so often, I like to go back and carefully pull on the edges of my braid to give it some more volume. Once you reach the end of the hair, secure the braid with a clear baby elastic. Take a section of hair from the back of the head and then add in the fishtail braid that we just did. Then secure the hair into a new ponytail at the back of the head with a clear baby elastic. And then I like to go back and pull on the hair going into the ponytail to give it some extra volume and texture. Take a section of hair from each side of the head and twist them back away from the face. And as always, I like to go back and pull on the edges of the twists to give them some volume before securing them both together at the back into a new ponytail right on top of the first one. And then you're going to secure one more ponytail around those two to join them together, but this time on the last wrap, you only want to pull the hair halfway through to create a loop. Take the remaining hair and softly twist it around the loop. Pull on the twist to give it some extra volume and then secure it in place with bobby pins. Once all of the hair is secured, you can adjust the bun by pulling or pinning any pieces. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you recreate this hairstyle, make sure to tag me in your photos at Braids by Jordan on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!